Welcome back to the channel, folks. We are back with a new video, and today we are going to discuss how you can get out of your credit card debt easily and efficiently. Credit card debts can easily pile up and get you to pay interest rates that are more than the actual loan amount. In these times, it is better to take loans from lending platforms and clear off your credit card debt. We are going to know more about in today's video what types of lending platforms to choose from and how to apply. So let's get started. To get to the official website of the lending platforms, check out the description below. Let's get started with our video. Top 5 lending platforms to help you get out of credit card debt. Jungle Finance. Jungle Finance is a great option for those with bad credit who want to get out of their credit card debt. The Jungle Finance platform is user-friendly and specifically designed to help people get out of their credit card debt. Also, Jungle Finance has transparency about its terms and conditions, helping build trust with its customers. If you are looking for a good option for lending platforms that have clear guidelines, then Jungle Finance can be your go-to option. Using the platform is easy to apply and withdraw. You can easily apply and get the amount and pay off your credit card debt. Hard Payday. Another great option to get out of your credit card debt is the Hard Payday Loans lending platform. They also provide loans to all the low credit or no credit borrowers. Their lending platform is straightforward to navigate. Also, the application process is quick and easy. Hard Payday Loans guarantees loan approval for all borrowers who are struggling to get loans, making it a great and reliable choice for people who need urgent money. Hard Payday Loans also maintain clear and transparent rules and regulations, making it a transparent option for borrowers. 50K Loans. 50K Loans is known for giving out large loans to borrowers. 50K loan lending platforms also provide guaranteed approval for those with bad credit or no credit users. The platform is easy to use, which makes it accessible for people who need quick financial solutions. 50K Loans lending platform combines guaranteed approval and an easy application process, giving borrowers peace of mind when it comes to borrowing loan amounts and making it an easy and quick process. If you need immediate help clearing out your credit card debt, you can turn to the 50K loan lending platforms. LoanRaptor. LoanRaptor is a great option if you need a quick $2,000 worth of loan, just like other platforms. You don't have to worry about low credit or no credit scores. Usually, LoanRaptor offers a simple to apply procedure and provides a hassle-free experience to borrowers. Also, LoanRaptor offers guaranteed approval, giving borrowers confidence when they need the amount the most. LoanRaptor is also known for transparency, making sure that borrowers understand their commitments clearly. To apply at the LoanRaptor platform, you need to be above the age of 18 years old and need to have a stable income source. 24M Loans. 24M Loans is a reliable platform for people who want to get quick and easy loans. This lending platform ensures people have easy access to loans. Additionally, 24M Loans provides a guaranteed and dependable solution for individuals with urgent financial needs. 24M Loans offers complete transparency regarding terms and conditions, loan rates, etc., which enhances trust with its customers. To apply, you need to have a stable income source, be a US citizen, and be above the age of 18 years old. How do you apply for a loan on a lending platform? The application process to apply for a loan at a lending platform is quite easy and straightforward. Here are the simple steps you need to follow. First, get to know what kind of financial difficulties you are handling. This will help you evaluate your financial situation better. Next, you need to gather all the required documents. This will help you in uploading documents on the lending platforms. Once the evaluation and the document gathering are completed, now it is time to choose the right lending platform according to your needs. Make sure to select the right lending platform that caters to your financial needs and can easily provide you with the right loan amounts. After selecting the lending platform, now you need to go to the lending platform and start the actual application process. Select the loan amount you need at the lending platform, start filling out the application form, and upload all of your documents one by one. Once the application process is complete, you will connect with a lending partner and they will provide you with a loan agreement. Read the agreement carefully, and if you are satisfied with the results, you will get the loan amount in 24 hours to your account. Conclusion. To wrap up the video, you clear off your entire credit card debt by approaching the lending platforms that we mentioned in our video. They provide quick and easy solutions to people who are in search of easy and quick loan amounts to get out of their financial difficulties. If you want to get to the official websites of these platforms, check out the description below where you can find the direct official links to these platforms. That's it for today's video. See you in a new one.